51 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. This process will continue. 4 goes into 5 how many times? 2 times 8, which is greater, so 1 time, right? 1 times 4, 4. Subtract 1. Bring down the next digit, 11. 4 goes into 11 how many times? 3 times 12, which is greater, so 2 times. 2 times 4, 8. If you subtract, you are getting what? You are getting 3. So our answer is 12, remainder 3. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 30 how many times? Okay, 8 times 32, which is greater, so 7 times, that gives us 28. 7 times 4, 28. Subtract 2. Bring down another 0. 20. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 4 goes into 20 5 times. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. So our answer is 12.75.